Have you ever wanted to shoot in a place that looks like this?
Yes, I have. I definitely have.
Oh my goodness, what a location. What a location.
I tell you, man, it's absolutely incredible. So, hey, if on March 6th, which is 1 month from today, we are having the
Exactly 1 month.
Valley of Fire photo experience. Now, whether you're coming to WPPI, which happens that week, right? This is on a Friday that we're doing the photo experience. Whether you're coming to WPPI or not, this is the photo event of the year, right? The photo experience of the year.
Let me say something too. If you're going to WPPI, guess what? When WPPI ends, you need to stay an extra day. Why? Because this is the real after party.
It's always the real after party. So this is not just a photo workshop, right? This is a photo experience. So we have 5 curated spots that we'll be going to the Valley Fire. This is our 8th year of doing this event, and it gets better and better every year because we have discovered the places to go within in Valley of Fire, the best locations, the best lighting conditions. We've got the best model team to get your best shot.
That's right. So we're going to go to 4 different parts of the park. And again, don't be mistaken. This is not those red rocks that are outside of Las Vegas. This is the Valley of Fire. This is like the big show, right?
It is. It's the premier spot to shoot in Las Vegas. And here's the key that I want everybody to know. This spot is incredibly difficult to get yourself in there legally, right? We start the process of getting our permit 6 months in advance. We've got the permit. We actually had the only permit to shoot with the group in Valley of Fire on that day.
Yeah.
So
and not only are we permitted, we're fully insured for this workshop. I mean, we are ready to go. You don't have to worry about anything during the day.
100%. 100%. So I tell you, if you've ever wanted to shoot there, if you don't know anything about it, check out our website, panoptic.photography, and that will actually show you more. You can actually also hit the QR code that I just popped up on the screen there. If you click on that with your phone, that will take you right to the site that will give you all the details, all the information about this. But let me tell you, this is going to be the event of the year. Now, if you're going to WPPI, like I said in the beginning, you can stay that extra day, take everything that you learned at WPPI, all your excitement about photography, roll it right into the next day at the Las Vegas Photo Experience. Come on out. It's the 6th, a Friday, full stinking day.
Yeah.
Start at 9 and it's
so if you're new to photography, maybe you're just like really excited about getting better at portraits. This is the experience for you, man. If you need help, we're there to help you. But maybe you've been shooting for years and you've just said, I have always wanted to shoot out there. Guess what? We have an incredible model team. It gets better each year. And you're going to be able to create those images you always wish you could.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So here is the best part about this. It is the best value of any photo experience, any photo workshop out there. This is a full day. You have 8 hours with the camera in your hand and an hour lunch break, right? That we spend time together. The whole workshop, $399 for the full day. You can't beat that. We have a professional model team coming out. I think some of the best models out there. It is going to be the experience you do not want to miss. So we hope to see you out there at the Valley of Fire. We'll put all the details in the comments below or in the description below. And we want to see you out there. Like I say, this is 8th year doing this. I can't wait. 1 month from today, Mark, we'll be back.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait either. It's going to be, again, the experience of a lifetime, really. It's that good out there.
Yeah. So we'll see you 1 month from today, Valley Fire.